In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix issues with PayPal not allowing you to send money, and we'll tackle this in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open your favorite web browser and head over to the PayPal homepage. This is where it all begins, so make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're on PayPal's site, you'll see the login button at the top right corner. Give that a click. Now you'll need to enter your email address and password. This is a crucial step for accessing your account, so make sure you type in these details correctly. Once done, click on the login button again to proceed. Once you're inside your PayPal account, it's time to double check important details. Head over to your account dashboard and ensure all your banking information and card details are accurate and up to date. Accuracy is key here to ensure a smooth transaction process. If anything seems off, you'll want to correct that immediately. Next, navigate to the Pay and Get Paid section. This is where you manage your transactions and linked accounts. Proceed by clicking on Banks and Cards. Now, if recently you've made any changes to your bank account, whether it's a new account number or a change in the bank itself, it's vital to update this information in PayPal. You'll have to re-link your updated bank account to your PayPal account to avoid any disruptions in sending money. While you're checking details, ensure that none of your cards have expired. An expired card can be a simple yet overlooked reason why PayPal might stop you from sending money. At some point, PayPal might require you to go through a quick security check to verify your identity. This usually happens if unusual activity is detected with your account. Ensure that your email address associated with PayPal is confirmed, since unverified emails can also cause transaction hiccups. Another reason you might encounter issues could be account limitations set by PayPal. Limitations might be placed due to security concerns or unresolved issues and can affect your ability to send money. To resolve these, visit the PayPal Resolution Center and check if there are specific actions you need to take to remove these limitations. And that's it! By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with sending money on PayPal swiftly. If problems persist, consider reaching out to PayPal support for personalized assistance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and guides.